Hi everybody, Rob Norton here from the Croydon Property Meet, and here today I'd like to show you around a property that we've been working on this week, well this last couple of weeks actually. It's a 3-bedroom flat with a garden. It's very close to the train station and various amenities. This is the major bedroom, all nice and clean and ready for the oncoming tenant. This is the hallway. Walk in here to the second bedroom. And come away from there and into the lounge, looking out onto the garden. That's what I spent the last couple of weeks doing, cleaning up, tidying up and getting it ready for letting. Bathroom, shower, WC. Kitchen, small but practical. Third bedroom, nice size, and doors open onto the garden, which is outside here. As you see, the station's very close, and there's a garden. All in all, quite a nice little property, I think. So we'll be moving out of it and letting the new tenant in on Wednesday, and we'll see you at the Croydon Property Meet in Croydon on the first Wednesday of every month. Cheers for now, bye.